Did you know that most people working out in gyms don't see actual results? Nearly 9 out of 10 exercise enthusiasts are working out regularly and look the same. Honestly, you may be one of these people. But this problem can be corrected. You go to the gym, you work hard, you try to eat clean, you push yourself every week, but yet your body looks like someone who started training recently. That's frustrating. The thing about it was that it had nothing to do with how hard I was trying. That's not the problem. The problem was that I was lacking the proper system in building muscle mass. A simple formula consisting of 5 easy guidelines that actually build muscle mass. There was nothing about it that had to do with genetics or any kind of supplements. The point was that I needed to understand how to train in the proper way, not the hard way. Before we begin talking reps, sets, or fancy lifting techniques, we had to emphasize the most crucial element of all, having a plan. And here's the interesting part. Almost all forms of exercise will work as long as you adhere to it. Bodybuilding routines that target all muscles, split routines like push, pull, legs, and even the traditional bro split will all give you results. That's great news, but it's also very confusing. What's there to choose? The answer is simple: structure. You don't need random exercises on a daily basis according to your mood and feelings. You need a plan. You need a plan in which you know on which exercises you'll train, for how many reps and sets, and for how much rest time. Since growth of muscles is a slow process, a really slow process, you won't notice much change even after a week or two. And when your routine is random, your results will also come out to be random. That's why relying on new programs every time hampers growth. Choose a program and stick to it. Well, let's shed some honesty on this one now. The greatest exercise routine won't help you one bit if you have terrible technique. It's like learning a new skill, for crying out loud. How do you learn boxing? Do you start with swinging wild? Do you start skating by doing face plants into the pavement? First, you learn fundamentals. If you do the exercises incorrectly, you can still build a little at the beginning. However, at some point, the growth will stop. You will be like, why haven't my arms changed for the past 6 months? This is exactly why proper execution is so crucial. If you actually want results, you need to pay more attention to the way you do the exercises rather than the actual weight you are lifting. Leave your ego at the door of the gym. Keep control of the weight. Doing 10 clean reps with proper technique will develop more muscle mass than heavy lifting with poor technique, regardless of who is watching. Now, let's discuss the one thing that truly divides growers from non-growers: intensity. You could have the right plan in place with perfect execution, but if your workout routine isn't intense enough, nothing's going to happen. Muscles aren't built simply because someone showed up to the gym. They're built because they're forced to work beyond what they're accustomed to. This doesn't mean that you scream and have a nervous breakdown after every single set. However, if you always feel fresh after a workout, it means that you haven't challenged yourself sufficiently. Real progress comes when it becomes uncomfortable. You are still capable of doing the next rep when your body needs to stop. So next time you are training, ask yourself, are you really training, or are you just going through the motions? So last but not least, let's say a word about something everyone knows but few do correctly: progressive overload. It just means doing a little more over time, more reps, more weight, or more but here is where most people screw it up. They add too much weight too quickly, and their form gets worse. In that case, they're not building muscle anymore, just risking injury. And that is where the majority of people go wrong. Here is the thing most people miss. Progressive overload will only work if the basics are in place. If your form is bad, it won't matter how much weight you add. And if your effort is weak, more reps aren't going to save that. And if your workout has no structure, you are just going to continue to go in circles. You can't skip steps and then expect to get any real results in the long term. Sure, you might grow a little at first. Almost everyone does. Then, all of a sudden, poof, you reach a brick wall, progress halts, and you don't even know why. That it's because smart progress isn't about huge jumps. It is about small wins. 1 extra rep, 1 more kilo, resting 10 seconds less. Tiny improvements done over and over again for weeks. That is what creates big change. So how do you make that happen? Simple. Track your workouts, write down your lifts, and watch your numbers slowly go up. When your performance improves little by little, so do your muscles. Now this part is huge. Want to know the real difference between someone who looks okay and someone who looks insanely built? It is not in the talent. It is not in the genetics. It is in showing up again and again. 1 week of hard training is nice. 5 months of hard training consistently are better. But years, that is what builds an elite physique. Because, let's be real here, none of this matters. Not the plan, not the form, not the intensity. If you don't stick with it, results take time. But if you stay consistent, results are guaranteed. There is no escaping that. And if you want to learn how to build visible abs without having to do hundreds of crunches every day, then click the next video. I break it all down, step by step.